You don't want any?
No.
What are you doing?
What's it over, bitch?
Today, I'm with the clip. How are you today, sir? Green light! What are we doing today? Don't know. No plans. Yeah, no agenda. I like that. You Prius. Prius. Two of them. Two white ones. Hate those cars. Oh, shit! Dude, I hit a butterfly. It splattered all over my helmet. We gotta turn. I bet he's looking for a bush. Yeah, use the bathroom? I think I can lock him in. What are you doing?
What's it over, bitch?
Are you going poopy? You want me to flip it over?
Yeah.
Okay. How'd you get out, dude? I was gonna try to flip it over. That's good washing your hands water. I don't know about drinking water though.
I'll drink it for free. What's going on? We're gonna go off-roading today or what?
Wanna go look for vampires?
We gotta go get the garlic pizza. We'll pull up
Some Lost Boys shit?
a few pieces and stab it into their heart.
What do you want to do for food today? Can we do something different than Taco Bell and McDonald's?
We could.
A couple of weeks ago you were talking about Chicago style pizza.
You wanna get some Chicago? I've never had it before in my life though.
You've never had it?
Never in my 2 years of life.
Okay. I know a spot. It's actually right by where you live.
Really?
Kinda. It's called Selma's.
Where I live on your video and then invite everyone to come to my house. You can just knock on my door in the middle of the night and run away and stuff. And like throw stink bombs at my door. Basically whatever they want.
Has that been happening?
No, but it should. That would put me on Jake Paul's level.
Whoa. Hell's wrong with that dude? So we're kind of filling in the gaps for today. We're definitely gonna eat. Sounds like he wants Chicago style pizza. He's never had it. But first we're gonna go see David down at Metric Method. I actually have the WR down there for a specific reason. No, they're not working on it, nothing mechanical or anything like that. I got Chaparral there. What they are doing though, they're gonna customize the seat a little bit. They're gonna shave it down a little bit for me. I'm not the tallest guy in the world and that bike is actually really, really tall. Slide around this corner. It smells clean in here. It always smells clean. Should we get free drinks?
Yeah. Dude, they have these. These are like freaking rare. What up, dude?
Hello, Ryan. There's Hughes. Seat looks great. I should be able to touch the ground now. David's playing double duty these days.
Yeah.
Right?
Only on the weekends. So then what we'll do is we'll cut the foam off.
Yeah.
This is all foam. And then once we cut it, then we'll be able to grind it down and give it a form. And then we'll put the seat cover back on.
Grinder.com, huh?
Pretty much.
And then we're going to go ripping around Sunday. You want to come?
No. I want to break up my leg again. That one size is a 14 and the other size is a 10. So
Come on, you know me. Dude, that's how I roll, dude. Mismatched Frankenstein bike. Just give me some zip ties, duct tape, and a full tank of fuel, and I'm on the go.
I'm going to put this in the video.
I'm going to put this in the video.
Alright guys, make sure you check out the second channel if you want to see that bike in action. It's called Extra Delinquent. We got all kinds of crazy stuff going on over there.
Let's go eat. I'm hungry. Oh, I got to get fuel. How are you on fuel?
My light's been on since we've like left.
Wait. Wait. What is that? What is that?
Get away, dude. Get away.
Selma's. Now I know all you people from Chicago, you're gonna be all pissed off because we're eating Chicago style pizza. But look, man, we're all the way out here in Orange County, California. It's the best we can do. It's all we got. I bet a Prius caused this jam, without a doubt. Liking my seat, LUIMOTO. We're gonna go 87 today. You don't want any?
They got rods red.
You think he bought the bike to match his shoes? Oh, he's gonna run that red light. Yeah. Got me. Rematch. I win. 1-1. Ha! When did that car get there? I just looked over and there she is.
I think she likes it.
What's that?
It on La Pata. A gal slammed on her brakes. She was on her phone. He hit her and he went flying on his bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just had a baby too. Yeah.
Oh, that's no good.
He almost died, so be careful. I was looking at you guys and I was putting a hedge of protection over both of you.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome. I just speak truth.
I'll take it.
Most of all, that's important. Have fun.
If you're ever out riding around or the topic of motorcycles comes up and you're talking to someone that doesn't ride, they always have to share a story about tragedy. Why is that? Yeah, it's always like some horror story. Just so you know, you guys out here watching the video that don't ride, it's not really that awesome to hear about tragedy when you're out trying to have a good time. He wants to race to the white line? I'm gonna give him that race. I don't know who won. I think the pizza place is in here. Yeah. There it is. See, look. Selma's Chicago Pizzeria. Thank you, Prius. You took up the whole spot with that little ass bike of yours.
You're from Chicago.
No, I'm not. I've had Chicago style pizza though, in Chicago. Giovanni's.
I actually grew up there, but I never actually ordered the Chicago style pizza. I always see it and it looks like you can just eat it like soup.
Eat it like soup. All right. Chicago style pizza, what'd you think, man?
I gotta be honest, I was excited to try a new kind of pizza. I was excited for a new taste, and I gotta say, it freaking just tastes like pizza.
Our pizza costs $21. Would you prefer that or a $5 Little Caesar deal?
I'm hitting the Little C's tonight, right now, actually.
I'll be back, man. I was impressed. I will be back.
All right, Delink, I'll see you at the bar later, okay?
Actually, off camera, Caleb was really impressed with that pizza. I liked it too, man. It was good. It was big, though. It was big.
Girls, if you're watching this, it's true that basically most guys will have to creep every single girl that follows them on Instagram, and they have to basically go through their profile, and you know, they just got to kind of creep out all the pictures. You know, they got to find the pics, they got to zoom in, on the pics, and they just got to be a total creeper. Now you know.
Can you explain to us what a Chicago style pizza is?
So Chicago style pizza is an authentic pizza pie from Chicago.
You think a smaller or medium would suffice?
Well, a medium for 2 people with the Chicago style is probably going to have leftovers. Small is okay, it just depends on how hungry you are. It looks like you guys have been out riding. I would probably recommend getting the medium.
We're gonna go with the medium.